हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। सो जो कंस्ट्रेंट ऑफ मोशन के प्रॉब्लम हम बना रहे थे उसमें दो प्रॉब्लम्स मुझे अच्छे लगे। सो हम ये दोनों प्रॉब्लम भी यहाँ पर टेकअप कर रहे हैं। सो सेटअप किस तरह से है, ये एक वेज है, दो मासेस है, दिस मास इज कमिंग डाउन, सो व्हाट इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ दिस मास। एंड सेटअप इस तरह से है। सो हियर वी विल फाइंड द वेलोसिटी ऑफ P1, P2 एंड फाइनली दैट इज ऑफ P3। P3 की वेलोसिटी मालूम होने पर उसके बाद हम वेलोसिटी ऑफ K निकाल सकते हैं। सो वेलोसिटी ऑफ P1, so downward velocity is taken as positive, so Vp1 is equal to, और ये surface is a fixed surface, so we can write this is fixed surface, right? फिक्स सरफेस है तो इसकी वेलोसिटी तो जीरो है इस डायरेक्शन में। सो ए स्ट्रिंग की वेलोसिटी, इस स्ट्रिंग की वेलोसिटी हम किस तरह से, Vp1 is equal to that is 20 plus 0 by 2। 20 is downward, इसकी वेलोसिटी जीरो है, तो 20 plus 0 by 2 is the velocity of this pulley, isn't it? Right? So we can write that is 10 meters per second, and since it is positive, so this Vp1 is downward to Vp1, that is 10 meters per second. Now we will find velocity of P2. Vp2 is velocity of Vp1 plus 0. So velocity of Vp1 plus 0 by 2, because this string and this string we have to consider for the velocity of P2. The Vp1 is the velocity of this string. So Vp1 is 10 by 2, that is 5 meters per second. Means this P2 is coming down with 5 meters per second. This pulley is coming with 5 meters per second. Naturally, this will also move upward with 5 meters per second. Are you getting my point? So therefore, Vp3 is equal to 5 meters per second, because this is attached. This is one string, isn't it? So in one string, as I have told, along the string, along the constraint, velocity will be same. So this is 5 meters per second. Naturally, P3 will also be 5 meters per second. And we have to find the velocity of A. So see, velocity of this is equal to, velocity of this pulley is equal to velocity of this plus velocity of this divided by 2. Therefore, Vp3 is equal to 0 plus Va by 2, right? Va, its velocity, and velocity of this, since it is fixed, इसकी velocity 0 जैसा इस केस में किया, is equal to velocity of, therefore Vp3 is 5, so 5 is equal to Va by 2, and this implies Va is equal to 10 meters per second. So velocity of Va is equal to 10 meters per second, that we got. Right? Now we will take up this question. This is the arrangement. These pulleys are there. Tensions are acting. So Vb is equal to 30 meters per second. So naturally, when it is pulled down, it will go up. So velocity of Va is what? That is to be found out. ये भी find out करने के लिए हमको इसकी velocity और इसकी velocity निकालनी पड़ेगी. So these are the pulleys, right? Suppose it is P1, this is P2. अब यहाँ पर situation इसके जैसा नहीं है. यहाँ पर fixed surface था. Now it is moving. When it is pulled down, so हम downward velocity को अगर हम positive लेते हैं, downward is positive and upward is negative, और इसकी velocity जाएगी Va upward. तो हम सबकी velocity, हम इसकी velocity सेम रहेगी, isn't it? तो यहाँ पर इसकी velocity हमको निकालनी है, तो Vp1 is equal to, right, Va plus Vb by 2. अब इसकी मैग्नीट्यूड की बात करेंगे, डायरेक्शन विल बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय प्लस और माइनस, बिकॉज अप एंड डाउन. सो डायरेक्शन कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय प्लस माइनस. सो हम न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू लिख करके एरो हटा सकते हैं. सो देयरफॉर Vp1 is equal to, what is Va? That is minus Va, right? Minus Va I will write, because going upward, it is coming down plus 30, that is divided by 2. So I have got relation between VA and VP1. Therefore, we can write 2VP1 that is equal to 30 minus VA, right? So this relation we got. So for P2, right? So VP2 that is equal to, this is minus VA, right? And this plus VP1 by 2. 2VP2 that is equal to minus VA plus VP1, right? VP1, right? So this can further be simplified, that is equal to 30 minus 3VA by 2. Therefore, it is VP2. Therefore, VP2 that is equal to 30 minus 3VA by 4. So VP2 we got, right? And see, P1 is fixed. So velocity of VP2 is same as VA, but it is upward, it is downward. Therefore we can write, therefore VP2 is VA. Therefore VA is equal to 30 minus 3VA by 4. This implies 4VA is equal to 30 minus 3VA. Therefore 7VA that is equal to 30. Therefore VA is equal to 30 by 7 meters per second. This is the answer. This VA is the magnitude of this and direction is upward. Because same setup के अंदर हम एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी बना सकते हैं. सी सेटअप वही है, हमने यहाँ पर एक मास लगाया और इसका एक्सेलरेशन अगर 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर है, राइट, और इसमें एक एक्सेलरेशन दिया है दैट इज 2 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, देन व्हाट शुड बी द मास ऑफ दिस बी, सो दैट कि इसमें 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर का एक्सेलरेशन क्रिएट होगा और इसमें 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर का एक्सेलरेशन क्रिएट होगा. So ये भी एक क्वेश्चन बन सकता है इसमें. Then how to find the mass of this beam, right? अगर हम इसमें FBD अगर बनाएं, हम क्या देखते हैं कि इस पर कौन कौन से फोर्स एक्ट कर रहे हैं. इस पर एक mg एक्ट कर रहा है डाउनवर्ड, और सपोज इस पर एक टेंशन T एक्ट कर रहा है और इसके अंदर एक्सेलरेशन 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर का है. सो G इज इक्वल टू हमने लिया है 10 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. सो मीन्स इसका एफबीडी बनाएंगे तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, mg माइनस t इज इक्वल टू m इंटू 1 दिस. देयरफॉर t इज इक्वल टू mg माइनस m, दैट इज 10m माइनस m, दैट इज इक्वल टू 9m. सो टेंशन अपने को मालूम है T इज इक्वल टू 9. T इज इक्वल टू 9m. एक रिलेशन हमको ऐसा मिल गया, ठीक है. अगर ये T इधर है, सो T विल बी एक्टिंग लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. दिस इज T, सो दिस विल बी 2T, isn't it? T downward and T downward, so this will be 2T, and downward also 2T will act, and this will also be 2T. So this 2T and this 2T, it will be 4T over here, and downward 4T, this is 4T, this is 4T, and this will be how much? This and this will also be 2T and 2T, and this is 2T again. So finally 2T tension is acting on this mass A. So if we resolve the weight of this, its weight is acting downward, that is MAG. Mass of this is MA. So resolution will take in two different directions. So that will be MAG, and this will be angle 37 degree, So that will be cos 37 degree. In this direction, MAG sine 37 degree. So net force is causing the acceleration AA in this direction. Means 2t minus MAG sine 31, that is 2t minus MAG sine 37 degree, that is equal to mass into acceleration, that is MAAA. So this will be the relation, right? So put the values. MA is equal to 5 kg and A is equal to 2 meters per second square. Therefore 2t minus, this is MA is 5 kg into G is 10 and sine 37. This is 37 degree, then it is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Sine 37 is 3 by 5 is equal to 5 into 2. M is 5, A is 2. So this 5 and 5 will go. Therefore 2t minus, it is 30 is equal to 10. Isn't it? Therefore 2t is equal to 40. Therefore t is equal to 20 Newton. Right? And from this first, t is equal to 20 Newton. Therefore 20 is equal to 9 m. Therefore m is equal to 20 by 9 kg. So if the mass of this is mb, here mb is equal to m. mb is equal to m is equal to 20 by 9 kg, and this is the answer. This way number of questions I have done, और बहुत से questions इसमें हम करेंगे. So हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे. Till then, all the best and take care of you. Be safe and remain healthy.